most important difference between hardware and software is what we call the cost of change. Okay? And everything in Agile software development was built for this world where cost of change was very low. And if you think about it, if you've done any kind of development at all, any kind of web development or anything, even just for your own family, you know that, I see a problem, I fix it, I upload the file, and the problem's fixed. And I can do that now, and I can do it when I see it 3 weeks from now, and I can do it 3 years from now, and I can just fix it, and there's no consequences for that, really, except for the embarrassment of the fact the error was out there for several years in the first place. But in the hardware world, things are quite a bit different. In the hardware world, the design part of the work is really only the beginning. What we're actually producing in a product development process is the knowledge needed by the manufacturing organization to produce the product. And it's encapsulated in things like drawings and test plans and prototypes, but the actual product itself is going to be produced in the manufacturing plant. Now, for software, this isn't true. In software, the knowledge that they create is bundled into the software packages themselves. And once you've uploaded the software packages onto a server, you can almost infinitely replicate them. You can transmit them around the world at the speed of light. You just don't have to deal with all of the logistics problems. And so the main difference between Agile in a hardware space and Agile in a software space is that the Agile in a hardware space has to account for this high cost of change.